Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10-foot thick durable nylon rope dog leash. This one does come with a portable dog bowl. Alright, so today we've received our dog leash. This one does have a portable dog water bowl, and it also comes with your poo bags. So when you're out walking your dog, you can put your bags inside here, and it is a clip so you can clip it on. This one here is offered in several different colors. I did get the pink one. They also have in different sizes. I did pick up the 10-foot, which is from 18 up to 120 pounds. You can see it's got a nice little grip. This one here is a rope, so you don't have to worry about it snapping or breaking. It is durable, it is valuable. You can use the zipline style leashes. It's comfortable for handheld designs. It is really nice. It's sturdy, comfortable, highly reflective thread. So I do have a reflective harness, so this is great to go along with their harness. This has got a soft padded handle, so you don't get no more rope burns. This is the perfect size handle. It is perfect length for walking, running, or training that reaches a balance between the control and safety, giving enough comfort and freedom to your dog. The great thing about this is a reflective for night safety. They have a reflective stitching which keeps you both safe and visible when you're taking that late night stroll. And the clip right here has a 360-degree rotating stirable clasp, so no more tangling. It is a tangle-free, swivel, heavy-duty clasp which ensures attachment to the collar and provides more freedom. You can see it is super nice. It's nice and thick. And then right here you get a portable water bowl, so when you're on the go, you can bring a water bowl with you for your dog to drink. This is a super nice one, so it collapses. All you got to do is push it down. It's got a clip right here, so you can clip it on their harness or you can clip it on the leash itself. Just push it down like that, put a little bit of water. So right here, see, you can just clip it on right here. There's a spot to clip it. So your pet can have a water bowl on the go, and you also get a container to hold your poo bags. So you got everything to start on the walk. This is super nice. Again, they offer this in several different colors. So if you're looking for a nice leash that offers a foldable water bowl as well as a bag to hold your poo bags, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's super nice.